So this aspirant has understood the importance of Prelims test series. For everyone who is appearing for the Prelims examination of 2022, Rao's IAS Prelims test series is going to give you an edge over the competition. Let us see how. So by taking the tests, you will be able to revise all your subjects effectively. But besides the basic subjects, what about current affairs? For current affairs, Rao's IAS will be providing you with the Prelims Compass magazines, which will have the latest current affair updates. But the most important part of the Prelims test series of Rao's IAS are the revision classes, which are known as the Quality Improvement Program classes. In this, we'll be focusing on fine-tuning the approach for taking the test, also revising all the important themes for the examination effectively. Apart from this, you will get the full-length test, which will be the simulation of the real Prelims examination. And you will be provided with detailed solutions and analysis so that you can fill the gaps in your preparation. So in the coming 85 to 90 days, joining the Rao's IAS Prelims test series would be the best bet for any serious aspirant.